So,
I mean, I do have a knife under my pillow, just in case.
I prefer guns.
I don't think I would be allowed to own those.
Alright, where are you?
Oh, I'm in America.
I'm in the Northeast, which is one of the most restrictive parts of the country, and even I own a gun.
where are you, Robin?
Let's just say mental issues.
Fair enough.
I'm a
Also,
very
fight.
strange character.
I mean, even if you were able to shoot, you probably wouldn't see.
Fair enough.
Fair point, yeah.
I'm just like, that's just a warning shot. Shot like the neighbor. That's just a warning shot.
She can only shot in the
You see
general
that blob
direction.
over there? I'm gonna shoot that blob.
I don't know if that was
That's
a
a
tree,
warning
a cat,
shot.
or a person, but either way.
The
was
cops
like
are coming, start shooting at them. Stay away from me!
The blobs are attacking! No, not again! This is just like SeaWorld all over again. And I don't mean the whales, I mean the tourists.
What is happening?
I never been to SeaWorld, that was a joke. Hopefully.